Ever wondered how to make the perfect smoothie? Well, you're not alone. Smoothies are beloved for their versatility and nutritional value. Packed with fruits, vegetables, and sometimes even protein, they can serve as a quick breakfast, an energizing snack, or a post-workout recovery drink. The beauty of a smoothie lies in its simplicity. It's a blend of health and taste, wrapped up in a convenient package. Making a smoothie is easier than you might think, and I'm here to guide you through it. A great smoothie starts with the right ingredients. The core of a mouth-watering smoothie lies in the freshness of your fruits and vegetables. Imagine biting into a ripe, juicy strawberry or savoring the sweet tang of a fresh pineapple. That's the kind of burst of flavor you want in your smoothie. Now, let's talk about the liquid base. You can go the traditional route with milk, or for a more refreshing twist, why not try fruit juice? The choice is yours, and it can completely change the character of your smoothie. Don't forget, you can also add optional ingredients to boost the nutritional value. A dollop of yogurt can give your smoothie a creamy texture, while a scoop of protein powder can make it a perfect post-workout drink. And for those who like a bit of crunch, try adding some seeds. Remember, the key is to choose ingredients that you enjoy, because your smoothie should be both healthy and tasty. Now that we have our ingredients, it's time to blend them all together. The way you layer your ingredients in the blender can make a real difference to the end result. Start with your liquid base, be it juice, milk, or even water. This lays the foundation for a smooth blending process. Next, add in your soft ingredients like yogurts or honey. If you're using powders, such as protein powder or cocoa, this is the time to add them, ensuring they blend well and don't clump up. Now it's time for the fruits, vegetables, and any tougher ingredients you might have. Cut them into manageable pieces to make it easier for your blender. And last, but certainly not least, add your ice or frozen ingredients. They're at the top so they get pulled down into the blend, which helps to chill and thicken your smoothie. The importance of blending until smooth cannot be overstated. This is what gives your smoothie that deliciously creamy texture. Start at a lower speed to break down the larger pieces, then gradually increase the speed to fully pulverize everything. Now, let's talk thickness. Everyone has their preference when it comes to how thick or thin they like their smoothies. If you prefer a thinner consistency, simply add a bit more liquid. For a thicker smoothie, toss in a few more ice cubes or frozen fruit. Once your smoothie is well blended, it's almost ready to enjoy. The final step is to serve your smoothie and enjoy it. Now, how you serve your smoothie can add a dash of fun to your smoothie experience. A tall glass is a classic choice that never goes out of style. But if you're feeling adventurous, why not try a mason jar? They're not just trendy, they're practical too, especially if you're on the go. And here's a fun idea. Serve your smoothie in a bowl. Top it off with some fresh fruit or granola for a smoothie bowl that's as delicious as it is Instagrammable. Remember, smoothies are best enjoyed right after they're made, when the flavors are fresh and vibrant. But if you've made a bit too much, don't worry. You can store your smoothie in the fridge for later. Just remember to give it a good stir before you drink. And there you have it, your perfect smoothie is ready to be enjoyed. Let's quickly recap the steps to making the perfect smoothie. We kick things off by selecting the freshest ingredients. Remember, fruits and veggies are the stars of the show, but don't forget to throw in some protein sources like Greek yogurt or almond butter. And let's not overlook the role of liquids. Milk, juice, or even just water can do the trick. Next, it's on to the blending process. Start off slow, then gradually increase the speed to ensure a smooth, velvety texture. A little patience goes a long way here. Finally, the moment we've all been waiting for, serving and savoring your creation. Pour it into a glass, garnish if you fancy, and voila! You've just mastered the art of smoothie making. But here's the real secret. There's no one-size-fits-all recipe. Feel free to get creative, experiment with different ingredient combinations, and discover your own perfect smoothie. So go ahead, give it a try, and start enjoying the health benefits of your perfect smoothie today.